Hello everyone. So in this MCQ, you are asked that out of given these options, which are not the valid variable names according to C language. So I will run the timer and you can pause the video and you can find the answer. So I hope you have found the answer. So the correct answer is option A. That means option C and option D both are showing the incorrect variable name according to C language. So if we go by the naming convention of the variable name in C language, then we know that we cannot use something like 23 underscore something like ABC. Why? Because we cannot use digits in the starting of the variable name. That's why this 23 underscore max is incorrect variable name. The same way we cannot use spaces in between the variable name. That's why this option D was not correct variable name. But if it was underscore like weather underscore in underscore January, then this variable name was also correct. So option A is correct because we can use the digits after the first place. So here we have used at the last. So this is correct. Now we can use also underscore in the starting of the variable name. That's why option B is a valid variable name. Now if I ask you whether this variable name underscore 123 is a valid variable name or not. So this is a valid variable name. Why? Because we have used underscore at the first place in the starting of the variable name. That's why this underscore 123 is a correct variable name according to C language. Now you also cannot use any special character either in the starting or in between the variable names in C language. So all these three examples where we have used a dollar, a special character, these all variable names are invalid. And lastly, you cannot use any keyword as the variable name in C language. So it's like if you write int and for, then this variable name is wrong. Why? Because for is a keyword in C language. So I hope you have understood the solution. So if you like the video, please like and share this video. And now let's move to the next MCQ.